Good morning, class 6. I'm Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, ISWA. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about the next properties of materials under chapter number 4, that is sorting materials into groups. In the previous lectures, we had discussed that there are several types of materials which are present around us, and we have to classify them based on their properties and based on their utilization. Then we come to know the advantage of classification, how classification, that is grouping similar things together, help us in various ways. Then we start discussion about how various materials are used to prepare for various type of objects, and then we start discussing about the properties of those materials. Under this section we discussed about the hardness and softness of a material, solubility of a material, that some materials are soluble in water, some materials are insoluble in water. Some liquids are soluble in water, some liquids are not soluble in water. So this way we discussed several properties of materials. Now today we will discuss about transparency of a material. So we all know that in our childhood we play hide and seek. So in this game we have to hide ourselves and one of our friends will try to find us. So we try to hide behind a thing through which our friend are not able to see us. But suppose if you hide behind a glass, transparent glass, or a glass through which you can see on the other side, and if you hide behind that type of glass, then what will happen? Your friend able to see you. So in some cases, through some materials we are able to see the opposite side. In some materials, or in the case of some other materials, we are not able to see the other side through that type of material. So here comes the property of material that is called transparent. That is, if light passes through a material from one side to other side, that is, if we are able to see the other side through the material, then this type of material is called transparent material. Like glass, like water also, it is also transparent, clean water. So this type of materials are called transparent material. Some plastics are also there which are transparent, through which we can see the other side of the plastic. The next type of material is opaque, that is the materials which do not allow light to pass through them, or the materials through which we are not able to see the next side, or the side behind the opaque object, like we are not able to see behind the wall. So wall is the opaque object. Now class, remember the experiment we had done to find the presence of fat in a food. So what we had done, we rub or we put some oil on a piece of paper, and then we try to see the light through that paper, and we are able to see partial light. But before doing that, if you use a paper and try to see the light through the paper, then we are not able to see that light. So here comes activity 6, that we have to take a piece of paper and put some 2-3 drops of oil, spread it on the paper, and after some time if we try to see light through the paper, we are able to see the light partially but not properly. So this property or this type of property of a material is called translucent material. So class, this is called transparency. So a material may be three types. One may be transparent, second may be opaque, or third may be translucent. So we divide the material depending upon their properties. So these are the some important type of properties of a material. I hope you all are able to understand about transparency or transparent material, opaque material and translucent material. Have a great day class. Be safe at home. Thank you.